Nabili po ako ng pita bread. Kami narindahin ko muna ang aking mga tao. Gutom na raw. Masarap po siya. Parang pandesal. Terno rin sa kape. Partner talaga ng kape. Ito po yung pinaka-pandesal nila dito. Pita bread.
Breakfast, ha? Breakfast.
Where's the pest? Where's the pest?
Honey, where's the honey?
Where's the honey?
Honey? Personal.
How about this? Not personal.
Personal, come on.
Well,
We eat with this one.
this is very nice. This is your what do you call that?
Malaki.
Yes.
Your pandesal. Sarap po sa Arabic bread. S.
Rakif.
Rakip?
Rakif. This is Arabic South Sudan. Khartoum. Huwag suka.
Pinamerinda ko muna po yung mga tao at pagod sa trabaho.
After lunch, super.
Ha?
After lunch, super. This is breakfast.
Masarap po siya. Malambot.
Es katira.
Es katir.
Now you happy, ha? No complain.
But then after lunch.
You feel?
No complain.
Complain, please.
Ah.
Suruh,
No complain hungry, ha?
But anyway, thank you for that. For your breakfast. Very nice.
Yeah.
Provided meal, sir.
Adem, this is your
Ito.
Ya, Pak.
May ginagawa po kasi kami dito. Nire-renovate yung bahay. Pinapipinturahan ko.